Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to repair Samsung phone stock issues with Android Repair Tuner. Cocosenor Android Repair Tuner is the reliable Android system repair tool which can solve all kinds of Samsung phone system issues in clicks. You can download and install it on Cocosenor official website. Now connect the Samsung phone to your PC. Open Cocosenor Android Repair Tuner. Click the Start button. Click the Tip button and follow the steps to get your device model and country. Then fill it in the box. After that, set the download path and decompression path. OK, click the download button. Hit the Yes button to proceed. Now follow the steps to boot your Samsung device into download mode. Hit the Start button to begin the repair process. Minutes later, your Samsung phone is repaired successfully. You can set it up as a new phone. That's all. Thanks for watching.